Hey you guys, welcome back to the RC Film Studio. Today we have the Axial SCX10-2 Trail Honcho. I'm going to flip the box over, you can take a look at the other side. Back here it tells you about all of its electronics and some of the drive terrain and things like that. Go ahead and pause the video if you'd like to take a longer look at the back of the box there. But let's open it up, see what's inside. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, nothing else in there, so move on to this portion. Alright, there it is. Let's see if we can lift it out of here. This is our little goodie bag. It's got all of our extra little parts and accessories in it. Anything else you might need would be in there. Here's your remote control right here. It's a simple tactic remote. Set all that off to the side. It's like we've got an instruction manual right here with some stickers. Looks like we're going to need to cut some zip ties to get into the car. Alright. Alright, there it is, you guys. There's a closer look. You got a couple lights up there. I believe those are functioning lights. And you've got tail lights under there in your little cage. Alright, I'm going to remove the body and we can take a look underneath, see what's down there. Alright, underneath is all fairly simple. You have your ESC, your transmission motor, all your receiver and stuff like that's under there. You've also got the tactic servo in there. The links down here are still plastic. And everything under here is plastic. I believe the drive shafts are upgraded from the last SCX10. But other than that, not too much different. Different plates down here, but it's all fairly simple. There's your tail lights, your headlights. Alright you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, the like button, and leave a comment down below there. Tell me what you thought of this video, and tell me what I should do next. I'll be at Axial Fest this year, so I'll be filming, and I'll have this truck. And I'll have my SCX10 Jeep that I've had for a long time. But now it has new wheels, tires, and shocks underneath. So it should ride and look a little bit better on camera there for you guys. But thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. And see you guys next time.